Hello, it's Cam at Stoke Audi showing you today this brand new Audi A1 Sportback edition finished in Arrow Grey. This new model comes with a 1 litre TFSI engine and is paired to a manual gearbox. The front LED headlights will keep the road well illuminated, offering great visibility for the driver, especially at night, and this car stands on 16-inch alloy wheels with the 10-spoke Turbine design. This A1 features around 335 litres of usable boot space capacity, which is enough for everyday shopping or 2 to 3 medium suitcases. There's also additional storage where the spare wheel would go. Stepping into the back of the car, we see the black and grey Novum cloth sports seats with steel grey stitching to contrast. There are ISOFIX points as well as a storage tray as well. Making our way up front, we see that same black interior with additional contrasting on the dashboard and door sills. These seats as well are the same sport seats with additional side support for extra comfort. Here's a closer look at the multifunctional 3-spoke leather-wrapped steering wheel with controls on the left for the virtual cockpit and on the right for the hands-free options. The virtual cockpit itself has different display options to best suit driver preference, including media and driving data. The main touchscreen MMI infotainment system does include radio with FM and DAB, as well as media to connect to Bluetooth and hands-free telephone. And when it is set up, there is also satellite navigation. The controls for the climate control are located here as well with these 3 dials, and there is a drive select option below that, which will bring up the different drive modes for this car. Forward of the centre console is a storage tray with 2 USB ports, and there are 2 exposed cup holders with a storage tray as well. Thank you for watching this video on this brand new Audi A1 Sportback edition. For any more information, please do get in touch with our sales team now.